Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Dion Osagie. Dion Osagie. Now the matter I want to talk about today, when I know say I first post the video like that, so now I want really talk for the matter. So my people, this video is just a quick one for Dion Osagie. Dion Osagie, my brother, there is not a person never see for this world. I mean, if you do relationship, say no work out, two of you are married, I know say you be really love Winifred, but as you not work out, my brother, not be do or die. You understand? Even now, how do I tell about the social media all the time? You understand? Sometimes if you want to talk, you know, can't go again. People not come looking like good thing again. So this year you would say Winifred marriage. You don't try beg everything. She say no. I know say you dey out like the thing pay you, because there are some words where you use for your video say you are being used, like they use you to get what they want. My brother, marriage, two of una marry. So that time when she stay there with you, at least you see they sleep with her, you they do everything with her. You understand? Will not be only Winifred be the woman who did this world. I know say it dey very painful. Say person where you love when I not come dey again. Very, very painful. Now for everybody. But as still be now, my brother, move on. Me just see and say Winifred don't want to take you back again. If Winifred want to take you, for don't take you back. The way me they look at me from my own side, Winifred not needs you again. I don't just be the truth of the matter. Winifred not need, if suppose they say needs you, if I don't upset you back upon all the beg, you even say your mama call and me not pick. So it shows say he not love you. And another thing where Dion Osagie talk when I pick for you say, if you want marry, the family of the man or the woman not like you, may you not go ahead. May you not say you want to do it because of love. Because it talk and say right for time, the mother of Winifred not like Dion Osagie. The mother of Winifred, they not like Dion Osagie. Now he make the thing not work out. He not like her. Dion Osagie don't try convince the woman not like her. So that kind of woman will not like you. Now you think say if you not get quarrel, it will come tell Pikin say make Pikin upset you. No, you don't go tell the Pikin. As far as say he not like you, he can never tell the Pikin say make he upset you back. Now be the thing so, Dion. More than listen to Dion.
A lot of mistakes, but a lot of people should learn from it. You should calculate. Any woman that cannot be with Dion Osagie cannot be with anyone. It's a fact. Any woman that cannot be with Dion Osagie cannot be with any man. The future is bright. We pray that God spare our lives so that we can see the result of everything. Okay.
Is there any woman would not be with Dion Osagie? Not go be with another person. Because Dion Osagie now very, very nice person according to him now. I dey drink tea more than obvious with this my big cup because I get cough. So I dey drink this ginger tea. So my people, is there any woman want to be with him or be with another person? That is Dion Osagie and the talks for. Okay. Dion, my brother, you still get your own mistake. Because as a married man, that time you sit there with Winifred. Dion, my brother, I need to tell you this. I see you when you go on party, whether like for Canada, like for America, I don't know. And that time you sit there with Winifred. Which woman go say that kind of thing go there happy? And when you know say your wife now minister of God, now she's like a pastor. You go whether na club, they dance with one girl, the girl dey your front, you dey back. The girl they use the backyard, say they whine you, they whine your Joe Thomas, and you video and post am Dion. Like seriously, which woman go dey happy for that kind of thing, Dion Osagie? No woman go dey happy for that thing when you do, Dion. No, even me where they here, I no go grade that kind of thing. Say my husband they dance with woman for party like that. No, Dion, that was rude. That was rude, Dion. I must tell you the truth. That was rude. See what you do to your person when you call your wife. And Dion Osagie. You can't say make the woman they dance for you or make it they happy. No. No woman go happy for that thing. My brother, not be lie, they tell you. If anybody tell you say you do away, that person they lie to you. You not do away at all. So, what will listen?
Condition before making the US, okay?
No, not listening.
I said, who's that's the intro. I see a lot of women in US, their husband abuse. Yeah, they don't call the cops or 911. Well, I don't know about that. There is a lot of them. What did that voice?
And the talk I'm say, anytime we're in with Winifred, the quarrel, Winifred will call police for her. You beat her. If you not beat her, not just argument, you just call police for you. For that one, Winifred, you don't do away. If not so, say you just by yourself they call police or because of just a little misunderstanding, my dear, you not do that one way. You not good. But we not the call police for our husband again. Very, very bad. Just a little misunderstanding, not reach for you to call police. And Dion Osagie talk and say, now so you they call police for her. You know good.
It's not very common in the United States compared to Canada and most part of Europe. The divorce rate is not very common in the United States. I don't know why. Maybe that's because I don't know why. I really don't know. But that's the truth. That's the truth. I don't support any man abusing any woman. I'm not in support of that. I'm totally against it. But sometimes things happen, right? 7 years ago, they won't lie on me. They lied on me, man. They said that I beat up Winifred. I did not. They said,
you now remember that time when they say he beats Winifred. Most of them will still remember when Winifred say he beats me. He beats me. He carry knife. He do this. When I remember, say not beat Winifred that time. Say now RNG.
I carried a knife that I stabbed her. Some persons made that video just for a purpose, and most of you know the purpose. They did that video. They see this is what Dion did. God knows, and I pray that God keep us alive. One day we shall see the results. They lied on me, man. What can a young man do? A young man who wants a perfect relationship after they have
said they lied on
I'm using myself to teach our people. I have not lost anything. They took their daughter to Canada on my expense. The first passport Winifred did, I did it for her. Her first passport, her first visa, I did it for her, even before we got married. So I feel used. I feel very, very used. But
he say I feel used. He say if he say they use him, say achieve what they want. Dion, my brother, any money where they spend for wife, where they forget before, you see jogodo with her, forget that one. They not use you. It's no man. You do one for your wife. You don't know say you come resolve like this. So my brother, may you move on. All those talking, now pain. The pain you say he leave you. Now wait till me I see for his side. So may you move on. Make Winifred move on. Make everybody move on. You understand? You're boof. You go see woman way better past Winifred. But only prayer will be the pray. Woman will want to enter your life now. Now prayer because you don't go take that woman the way you take Winifred again. You want to use that pepper body. If you use that for any woman, you know, if it's settled down, you are 40 years now. My brother, think.